what's up? We've got my little Yinzer here, and I'm Yinzer Mom, if you didn't know. And we are taking over the Yinzer Picker channel to tell you about another little side hobby that we have. We're full of hobbies, aren't we? Yes. We've got making bees photography, and we've got Yinzer Picker, and we also have Nailing It with Raina. Nailing It with Raina is my little side gig, and I sell Color Street nails. I don't have any on right now, but I just got a package in the mail today full of the summer line, the fruit punch line that I purchased along with some other ones too. And I want to unwrap it with you here. So I did cut it open, but I didn't look yet. So little Yinzer will show us each set. If by chance you are interested in either trying Color Street or shopping from my Color Street website, my website is www.nailin, N-A-I-L-N, itwithraina.com. If you're interested in a sample or just want to give it a try before you buy, you can drop a comment below and I'll have a sample in the mail to you as soon as possible. But let me show you what we have available in the summer line.
Okay, so right here is, let's turn it over, Main Squeeze.
It is so cute. Main Squeeze. It's $13, and I am willing to sell these ones. I won't wear them all, so if you are interested in Main Squeeze, you can claim below and we'll work it out.
Right.
Or like I said, you can visit my website. Set number 2.
Popping it like it's hot.
Pop it like it's hot. I like this one because it has little popsicles and they're starting to melt. Little cherry popsicles and lime. Super cute for summer. And if you're new to Color Street, these are 100% nail polish, so it's just dried already. And you are able to put it on a lot like a sticker, but it's not a sticker. It is 100% nail polish. You can you break it off at the tip, file it down, put a clear coat over it if you want, and you have a beautiful manicure that lasts anywhere from, you know, I've had some last up to 2 weeks. All right, what do we have next?
We have Tutti Frutti.
Oh, this one's so cute. All those summer fruits, pineapples, watermelons, oranges, cherries. I love this one. And again, these are all available for you if you want to just purchase directly from me.
This one is Berry Sweet.
Oh, Berry Sweet blue. The rest had more like a white background, but these ones are blue. It's a little bit of ombre on some of them. These are all mixed manicures, $13.
I love cherries. It's called Cherry Pick.
Cherry Pick. I love this one. Somebody actually already purchased this one, so it is not available through me. And you could just purchase directly from my website. But super cute. Oh, I might have to get another one of those.
Flamingos.
Oh, flamingos. I love this one. I think flamingos are the coolest animal, and they just remind me so much of summer. So these have a real light pink background with some real pretty little flamingo designs on them.
This one is high voltage. It has a piece of paper in front of it, so.
Yes, this is a neon set. It's only $11 because it's a solid. It's called High Voltage, and this isn't quite the true color. It's a lot more shiny and vibrant. You can, again, check on my website if you want to see what it looks like on. But the manufacturer puts a piece of cardboard over top of the actual nails, whereas these ones are a window directly to the clear packaging that they're in. But if these are exposed to sunlight directly for too long, the color starts to fade. So they want to make sure when you open it, you're getting the best version of it.
I think this one is called Kilowatt.
Yeah, same with this one. Here is like a mint neon almost. I know. Pistachio, if you will. Really awesome neon set. And again, it has that cover to protect it from the sun. And that is all I have to show you. This is the haul that I got today. You can I'll just summarize real quick again. You can comment below to claim any of these, or you can just shop directly from my website, www.nailin.itwithraina.com. Thanks for checking this out, and I won't take over this channel again for quite a while. Just wanted to show you what else our family's up to. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever we post new videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.